Welcome to my channel. My name is Elfi Grail and today I'm going to review my first magnetic lashes. I'm so excited, guys, because I've always loved the idea of lashes, but I just don't like the idea of lash glue, to be honest. And since I have blonde or kind of red colored lashes, they have always been non-existent, so I've always been wearing mascara. And I've always been interested, just I don't want to glue anything on my eyes. I've never liked the idea. So I've been eyeing magnetic lashes, but there has been so many bad reviews. And this is the first company I found that has really good reviews. So I was like, okay, they're from the UK. Let's just try them out. So they're called Lola's lashes. And I've got the Natural Wonders kit, which is basically 3 lashes. I will show them in a bit. That are all very natural looking. Of course cruelty-free, of course vegan, and I paid £55 for the set, and then £4 for a little applicator. So this is my first impression. I haven't tried them out. Let's see what we think of magnetic lashes. Are they worth it? So this is what arrived, the lash applicator for £4.20, the Rose Quartz lashes, which look like this. Very nice. And we have the Sapphire lashes that look like this. They're a bit longer. And then this is the Jade lash kit. I already unboxed the eyeliner and the cleansing oil. This is the cleansing oil to remove your makeup, the eyeliner with afterwards. Here you have the eyeliner. Has a little felt tip to it, like that. And here you have the ones that I like the most from the website, the Jade lashes, which in my opinion are the most natural looking. Alright, that's it. Let's get into the demo. Alright, here we go. So first up, I think I want to say something about this eyeliner, because I think that's where most of these reviews come from. Like when they're bad, it's because the eyeliner is bad, right? It's not strong enough or whatever to actually keep the magnetic lashes in place. So I'm very excited for this. I've prepared already one eye how I would normally do it. I would normally have kind of like a gel eyeliner underneath, and then I would do like a liquid eyeliner on top to just define everything. And then here on this eye, on the right eye, I would just do the eyeliner on itself. And then we can see how it performs on top of a gel liner like here, and then just on this eye as a bare eyeliner. Right, it's fairly easy, to be honest. No, I think that was pretty good. Didn't feel weird or anything on my skin. Just like a typical eyeliner. To be honest, I'm gonna do my other eye now, the right eye, that we're gonna do without any liner underneath. Okay, that's done. I still prefer doing it my way because I just don't feel like I have as much control that way. Got a bit too thick in the middle, but you know, happens. Let's go with Rose Quartz first. So they have like a little magnetic band that holds them in place. I'm going to start with this side that is under the gel liner. I didn't trim them or anything. I know you can trim them, but you know, I'm a noob. I have no idea what I'm doing, so no trimming here. Okay. Yeah, I think I think that was pretty easy. They're in place now. Just checking. I think I got some on my lashes before, so now they're kind of magnetic to the lashes instead of the eyeliner. But there we go. Yeah, that was very easy actually. That was very easy. Very easy. So this applicator is also magnetic, so you can kind of use it a bit to move them around. And yeah, I think it looks pretty good. I can feel them for sure that they're on, but it's not like uncomfortable or anything like that. Not at all. Okay, so this one's the side that only has yeah, that was really easy. And they're really strong, I think. They're strong, and I think I did a better job applying it to the correct place with that side here than the other one. That was very easy. Can you guys see a difference to my eyes? It's very subtle. I mean, I choose the Natural Wonder set for a reason, right? I didn't want too much. I just wanted a little bit of more. That's nice. So that's Rose Quartz. Cute. Okay, so now to remove them, just take them off like that. Okay. And then they're magnetic, so they just snap back to the box. I can show it to you how they snap back. So this is the box, and they just and they snap back. That was easy. Okay, nice, nice, nice. I think I should have waited a bit longer to let the eyeliner dry down. I'm having a little bit of residue. Next, Sapphire. Looking a bit more fluttery. Okay, so first again this side and then the other side. Oh, these ones are a bit too long for me, I think. No, they're fine. Like, even a noob like me can apply lashes like that. Okay, yeah, they're definitely way more visible than the Rose Quartz one. Already you can see the difference. But like, honestly, it makes no difference if I gel liner underneath it or if you don't. Alright. So this is Sapphire. Wow, they're so pretty. Love them. Last we have Jade, my everyday favorite. I think, yeah, I think these ones are very variable throughout the day. Just not too much. But I think Rose Quartz was the same. They were also looking very neutral, natural, right? I think while applying and reapplying, I've tucked a little bit of the eyeliner off in between. And yeah, some is tucked off a little bit. So I'm gonna reapply it and let it dry down a bit. And then I'm gonna try Jade, because I could just feel that the pulling power was just not there anymore like it was in the beginning. I think it's important to just let it have a little bit of drying down time as well. So no problem. Alright, I'm back. I let them dry down for like 3 minutes, and now let's try out the last lashes, the Jade lashes. with the reapplied, yeah, it's immediately sticking to it. Oh no, let me just start a bit more down. I think these ones I might have to trim too. It's very strong now again, yeah. Yeah, I think it's better for me to start at the beginning and then put them on towards the end. Alright, so this is Jade. What do you guys think? I think they're all very cute. I'm very happy with them. I have to still learn a little bit about the eyeliner. It's way thicker here than here. I haven't done the best job with it, but I think that's a little bit of a learning curve. I prefer my way of having like a gel liner underneath and then the actual magnetic liner on top of it, because I just feel like I don't have, it's not a bad liner or anything, this one, it's just like I don't feel like I have that much control than I have with my preferred ones, right? That I can like just draw the shape first and then go over with that one. But they're very strong, like you really have to tug quite a bit to get them off. And yeah, I'm super impressed. The application was so easy. I mean, you saw it. It just like literally, even for me as a beginner, I was able to do it with no problem at all. And I think that looked pretty natural. I think the Rose Quartz one were the most natural looking one. These ones, the ones I tried in the beginning, the first ones, these ones, I think they look super natural on the eye. Then the Sapphire were a little bit more drama. And then the Jade ones are kind of in between that I'm wearing right now. And yeah, I think they're all, you know, not like, oh wow, you're wearing very fluttery lashes, but they're like natural, which I really love. So I would definitely recommend these. I'm so happy I finally found good lashes that I can wear on a regular basis without having to have that mess afterwards with all that glue in your lashes or still stuck on your eye. And this is so easy, it works, and yeah, I hope they last throughout the day and we can just wear them outside after the quarantine when all of this is over. Really like this little lash applicator as well. I would recommend it too because it is magnetic as well, so it's easy to just get them out of the package and readjust them on your eye. Just for £4.20 with a discount code, so £6 regularly. In total I paid, you know, £60, which would be about £10 for each product, which is totally fine in my opinion, because these ones are not falsies that you throw away. You can literally use them over and over and over and over. The only thing you have to repurchase would be the eyeliner, right? So that's something you have to keep in mind, but I'm sure there's other options as well. You don't really have to buy this one, but I like this one. It's a good eyeliner. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and take care of yourself, and see you next time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.